I have been suffering from hair fall since my teens, but I didn't really do anything about it for a while because, I always thought if I oiled my hair, slept right, ate right, and everything would be okay. But these last few years have been really tough on me. So, after doing a lot of research on various hair clinics, looking at reviews, social medias, I came here to New Roots, looked at their videos, their reviews, and I liked it a lot. I contacted them through WhatsApp, spoke to them, and I liked how open they were about what they were going to do, the process, and everything. Thankfully, everyone here at New Roots, their staff was very supportive, and we got done very fast.